Ever wondered how to navigate life's complexities with resilience and virtue? Let's embark on a journey of personal growth through the lens of Stoicism, starting with wisdom. Wisdom, in the Stoic sense, calls us to view life with discernment, separating what's within our control from what is not. This ancient principle, as relevant today as it was centuries ago, is a powerful guide for decision-making in our everyday lives. Picture this. You're confronted with a difficult situation. It's easy for emotions to take over, isn't it? But wait, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is this within my control? The Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "Some things are within our control, while others are not." It's a simple yet profound truth. Why worry about the weather, an unkind word from a stranger, or the traffic on your commute? These are all outside your sphere of influence. When we grasp this, we free ourselves from unnecessary anxiety. We learn to let go of the uncontrollable, embracing a sense of calm and acceptance instead. Now consider the things that are within your control. Your actions, your responses, your choices. Here's where you can make a real impact. Here's where you can exercise wisdom. When a challenge arises, instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment to reflect. What's the best course of action? What aligns with your values and goals? Then, proceed with purpose. This is wisdom in decision-making, the Stoic way. It's about discernment, clarity of thought, and effective action. It's about reducing the noise, the clutter of unnecessary worry, and focusing on what truly matters. In our fast-paced, ever-changing world, this Stoic principle offers a beacon of tranquility amidst the chaos. It reminds us that while we can't control everything, we can control how we respond. We can choose to act with wisdom. When we focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot, we cultivate wisdom, freeing ourselves from needless worry and directing our energy purposefully. This is the heart of Stoic wisdom, a compass guiding us through the complexities of life with resilience and virtue. Let's carry this wisdom into our everyday decisions, shaping a life of purpose, tranquility, and fulfillment. Moving on to the second Stoic principle, courage. Courage is not just for life's big moments, but it's found in our everyday challenges. In the realm of Stoicism, courage is about bravely facing the discomforts and uncertainties of everyday life. It's about standing firm, even in the face of adversity. Imagine, for example, you're about to initiate a difficult conversation. It could be about setting a boundary, expressing a concern, or even asking for a raise. It's not easy, is it? The thought alone might stir a knot in your stomach. But it's precisely in these moments that courage takes root. By pushing through the discomfort, you're cultivating courage. Or perhaps you've been thinking about trying a new activity. It could be anything from learning a new language to taking up a martial art. The prospect of starting something new can be daunting. The fear of failure, the fear of embarrassment, the fear of not being good enough, they can all hold us back. But remember, courage doesn't mean the absence of fear. It means acting despite the fear. In each attempt, in each stumble, in each small victory, you're growing your courage. And it's not just about the big things. Even the smallest acts of courage in the face of daily challenges can make a significant difference. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone day by day, one small step at a time. Remember, each small act of courage not only bolsters your resilience, but also expands your capacity to face bigger challenges. With everyday courage, we learn, we grow, and we become stronger. So let's cultivate courage every day, in every way. The third Stoic principle, justice, is a cornerstone of virtuous living. This principle embodies fairness, kindness, and empathy in our daily interactions. It urges us to treat everyone we encounter with a sense of respect and understanding, regardless of their status, background, or beliefs. Stoics saw justice as more than just an abstract concept. It was a way of life. It was about treating others as we would wish to be treated. It was about understanding that every interaction we have is an opportunity to practice justice, to extend kindness and understanding, to promote fairness and equity. Active listening plays a crucial role in this practice. It's about truly hearing what others have to say, paying full attention, and striving to understand their perspectives. It's about setting aside our own judgments and biases to truly see the world through their eyes. This does not mean we have to agree with every viewpoint, but it does mean we should respect the diversity of thought and experience that makes our world so rich and vibrant. Avoiding prejudiced judgments is another key aspect of practicing justice. Prejudice can blind us to the truth and hinder our ability to treat others fairly. By consciously refraining from making judgments based on bias, we can foster a more just and equitable society. By practicing justice in our everyday interactions, we foster harmony in our relationships and contribute to the greater societal good. Every act of fairness, every moment of understanding, every instance of empathy brings us one step closer to a more just world. The fourth and final Stoic principle we'll explore today is temperance, which is all about moderation and balance. Temperance, in essence, is the practice of restraint and self-discipline. It's the conscious choice to avoid excess in all facets of our lives, be it in our consumption, our emotions, or our desires. Imagine temperance as the steady hand guiding our actions and reactions. It's the voice that whispers enough when we're tempted to overindulge, and the force that pulls us back to center when our emotions threaten to carry us away. So how do we cultivate temperance in our day-to-day lives? It starts with mindful consumption. Be it food, entertainment, or material possessions, make choices that align with your values and long-term goals. Avoid the extremes and seek balance in all things. Through temperance, we achieve a balanced life, foster inner tranquility, and reduce the influence of external factors on our well-being. In conclusion, the four principles of Stoicism offer a practical guide to navigate life's complexities with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By making thoughtful decisions, we can focus our energy on what truly lies within our control. Small acts of courage in our daily lives build our resilience and fortitude, preparing us for greater challenges. When we practice justice in our interactions, we uphold the virtues of fairness and empathy, fostering harmony in our relationships. Temperance, or moderation, allows us to seek balance in our actions and emotions, promoting inner tranquility and reducing the sway of external influences. Each principle is a compass, guiding us through life's highs and lows. By weaving these principles into the fabric of our everyday lives, we can cultivate a mindset of resilience, lead more purposeful lives, and build stronger bonds with those around us. By embracing Stoicism, we can lead more purposeful, resilient, and fulfilling lives, demonstrating that we often suffer more from our imagination than from reality, as Seneca once said.